Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to beat Robinhood's 4.9% cash interest without requiring a Robinhood Gold subscription. While Robinhood Gold offers a higher interest rate on uninvested cash, there are other ways to potentially earn a higher return on your money. Depending on market conditions, you may find alternatives such as high yield savings accounts, money market funds, treasury ETFs, or other cash management products that offer competitive yields. Remember that different investments carry different levels of risk, liquidity, and tax treatment, so always do your own research before moving your money. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. Review how much uninvested cash you currently have in your brokerage account. Now tap the search icon. Search for cash management alternatives such as money market funds, treasury ETFs, or other low-risk investment options that are available on Robinhood. Open the investment you want to research. Review its current yield, historical performance, expense ratio, holdings, and risk information. Compare its expected return with Robinhood's 4.9% cash interest rate. Keep in mind that investment yields can change over time and are not guaranteed. If you decide that an investment better fits your goals, tap Trade, then select Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order carefully before submitting it. Once your order is filled, your cash will be invested instead of remaining as uninvested cash in your account. Continue monitoring your investment regularly to track its performance and any changes in yield. If you need quick access to your money, make sure you understand how easily you can sell the investment and how long it takes for the funds to settle. Before making any decision, compare the potential return, risk level, fees, and liquidity of each option to determine which one best matches your financial goals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.